Now, Maharashtra remains the worst hit state across the country. The state has now recorded so far 1,000 new cases in just the last 24 hours, second consecutive day on Saturday. Total cases in the state now inching closer to the 20,000 mark. 48 fresh deaths were reported in the state. Mumbai remains the worst hit city in Maharashtra, accounting to at least 60% of the total amount of cases in Maharashtra. Financial capital saw 722 new cases and 489 fresh deaths reported just yesterday. The number of containment zones in Mumbai have mounted to over 2,600. The new BMC Commissioner Iqbal Singh Chahal hit the ground there running as he visited slum cluster of Dharavi, which has so far seen over 800 confirmed cases. Now, two shocking videos have emerged from the emergency wards of Mumbai's Sion Hospital and the KEM Hospital. In the first video from the Sion Hospital, some of the patients were found sleeping on the floor. Some other patients were seen sharing a bed. The lobby of the hospital also had bodies left unattended. In the second video, the emergency ward of the KEM Hospital can be seen packed with patients and their relatives, with no social distancing being followed. Some of the patients are also seen lying on the ground with relatives.
Despite BMC and state government trying very hard to increase the number of beds, the ground reality in the hospital of Mumbai is completely different. In the video, we saw how two patients are lying on one single bed and the ward is completely packed with patients and relatives. The situation is such that there is not even place to walk inside the wards. Moreover, and shockingly, there are dead bodies lying in the wards and in the lobby. When we spoke to hospital authorities, they clearly said that they are helpless in this particular situation because they are overloaded with patients.
Let's quickly go over to Vidya joining us from Mumbai. Vidya, we're looking at a rising number of positive cases in Maharashtra and the death toll has shot up as well. Can you give us the numbers over the last 2 days? What's been the death toll and the number of positive cases? What's the response of the Maharashtra government?
Well, specifically in the last 24 hours, around 48 people have died. Out of them, 27 are from Mumbai itself. And it's a similar figure that we had seen in day 4 yesterday as well. Around 26 people had died day 4 yesterday. And the numbers certainly have been on the rise continuously. It was only say, for example, in April that we had seen that the deaths used to be around 8, 10, 12, but not more than that. But recently, the death statistics, especially in Mumbai, have certainly gone up. And it's not just Mumbai, across Maharashtra as well at several places. A lot of people with comorbid conditions or even as young as 40, different stages of it. At different age groups are also being infected with this. And that's one thing that the BMC has been observing. That's not just older people, but also age groups of 40, 50. Those are getting infected with this kind of disease and are actually succumbing to them.
It's highly unfortunate there. We're only hoping that the healthcare system there is sufficient enough and large enough to accommodate this sudden influx. We're looking at just rising numbers and the videos are not very pleasing. We're looking forward to the Maharashtra government there to come by and ease this situation, ensure that better healthcare facilities is provided to those people rushing in with COVID symptoms.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.